Hi there, this is Brother Ben. So I wanted to introduce the idea of the offline website so that it's possible I can send you a website that you can use without the internet. So let's have a look. So first of all, the first step of that would be that I would, using the grade 10 or the grade 9 or the grade 8 or the grade 7 email, I could do a group send, and I would send something and it will look like this. So I sent one to myself. So here is the kind of link, and it comes with this, which is a zip file. That means it takes all of the huge amount of data in the website and squeezes it and compresses it down. So that is then called a zip file. So you download that. So you would get an email from me that would look like this. And then you would download it. And in your download folder, okay, I'm working on a Mac, but you get something like this. You would get a zip file that ends in, the version at the minute is called 28B, okay, because it works. And it ends in 363C, and all of these will have .zip on the end. So I guess you could probably just click here, but you could also just download it into your download folder. So you'll have something like a download folder somewhere. So here's my desktop, here's my download folder, and you're going to find files ending in zip, but they're going to be called genially. Actually, I've taken them out now. I dragged them out. So they arrived here, and then I dragged them onto the desktop. Here they are. Here, and they look like this. So there were two of them actually, but the main one that at the minute for today anyway, will look like this: genially, then and in 363c.zip. And it's on the desktop. So if you double click on that, or you right click on it with the mouse, or any of those kind of things, and you open, and you just click open, then you're going to open up, and it will open up as a folder here, that one. See, it ends in 363c, and it starts with genially. So in that folder, you get something that looks like this. Most of this is storing all the photos and all the words and everything, all the different links. The only one that you need to worry about is this one, genially.html. So then you double click on that one, and that's going to open up, and it's a smooth running website, slow internet. But if you're running it on this, you're just going to get the whole website running really smoothly. So, for example, here's one that was running earlier. And all of the animation usually runs pretty smoothly with all the sound, and works well. So where's the one also that it might not like two versions open at the same time. That's possible. So one of them there, it's got movement, and one of them there. Yeah, they've both got movement. It seems to be okay. Okay, so when you run it, the offline version, the animation works really well. All the sounds and all of the things load up fast and smooth. You don't have lag and waiting. Much smoother. So if we walk to the class, for example, it opens straight away. When you get here and you click on this, it works straight away, and the sounds work quite smoothly. Okay, so we go around the corner, have a drink. We go on the steps. We go up the corridor, round the corridor, past the fire extinguisher, to the speech lab door. Here's the speech lab. Now we can go in our classroom for grade 10. We pop in there. See, the animations are up and running straight away. It's much better, the offline version, in my opinion.
I know, it's better at the beginning than
not sticky. So
Chinese and math are easy. The number my last is
much better. So as I said, I don't know, I mentioned in the chat thread, one big website will be slow. But if you divide it into two smaller websites that are connected, they run much faster. That's the advice I've been given because it's a big website. So around this area, I joined the two websites together. So this part is in the first website half, and these are in the second one. So if we want to look at the workbooks for teens, we click on that and then wait, and let's go back to that again. This one. Let's go and click on the arete ones and see if it goes better. Yeah, that's what I expected to see actually. More like that. Ah, this is what I was hoping to see. This is when it is connecting to the other half of the website. That's the way it should go. So now let's go on to the workbooks for teens. Click. And now we're good to go. So you might get this little sort of stickiness in between the two halves. That's the only thing there. Alright, now we're on to the other one, and as you can see, it works nice and smoothly and fast. Now if we're in the class, now we're back in the first half of the website again. Anyway, so there we go. That's how to go. So when you get to here, if you click on any of these, wait, so that you click and then you wait for the second half of the website to load up from the zip file, from the folder, and it will look like this, and then you just carry on. So it's a little bit of a moment there. And everything else runs nice and smooth. So there it is. That's a little bit of a tutorial on how to get the offline version. And the versions will keep changing. You know, every few days I will make some improvements, and so I want you to then get a new email with a new offline version and go throw this one away and get the new one, so that you're upgrading using these. So there it's this one. Open it up. You click on the a lot here as well, so we're all good. Win-win. All right, good luck with that, and